Yeah man, so I don't know, so with that Holland Bamboo, so we come to Holland Bamboo, we have to stop here so and get the coconut for drink. Anyway, you take it, you know? You don't want to big up nobody still.
Customers.
Yeah man, so big up. Tantan, you know? Come on.
Yeah.
Holland Bamboo, we can stop at Tantan.
First scene, last out.
First scene, last out.
Yeah.
You understand? You understand what she mean? If you come from
Black River
first in. Santa Cruz, last out. So you can stop right here and get on the coconut and the peanuts. Remember to check it out, you know, because you know Holland Bamboo is the place to be tourist attraction also. So big up on yourself, yeah man.